Well, I've been waiting for my brake parts. They came from my favorite online auto parts stores. Didn't ask me if it was two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive or four headlights. Anyway, got that piece, the adjuster for the rear brakes. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, they're all Mustang 2, the front brakes and rear brakes, suspension for this Austin Healy kit car. So anyway, got that part. So I'll put that in right now and then bleed the brakes and see how they go. And I'll call a friend, see if he can come over and help me bleed them. So anyway, we'll get that done, get the wheels back on it. Stay tuned. Well, I decided I can't find this. I find some that are close, but none that are the same. And so I took it apart. These parts fell off. This was on the bottom. And they're air valves. And this one goes on the top. And they're little teeny air valves for these things here. So I'm going to see if I can get these back on there. They've both been broken off somehow. So anyway, I'll see what I can do with those and see if I can get them fixed. Got to be held on there somehow. Anyway, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, I got this piece out, and this is the piece that is broken here, if you can see it. It's broken right there. It goes up in there, and when it gets in there, then the lever from here moves it around to different air settings. So there's enough in there, I think I can tap it and maybe put a nut in there, or maybe put something all the way through with a washer to hold it down. So I'll see what I can do, and then the other one's this one. Once I get this done, then I'll do the bottom one, and we'll see if I can get that fixed. So I'm pretty sure I can do it. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Well, here's my fix for these things. They seem to work well. So did that. So hopefully they'll work. Find some similar on the interweb, but nothing exactly the same. So anyway, I'm going to take this in and get it all scrubbed up, get all the dust off of it, and now I can use it. So save myself, I don't know, probably a couple $100. So anyway, I'll get it oiled and lubed up, and yeah, go from there. So anyway, when I get it back together, I'll show you what it looks like. There that goes? Yeah, there you go. Anyway, well, I got it cleaned up really nice. So it's all clean. And these air valves, they cleaned up nice. They work good. And there's the bottom one. It came out good. So I'm pretty confident they'll work. Now the next problem I came with, this is the cover for this. And there's your switch right there for the fan. Hey, covered up. I'll make something, I guess. I don't know, I'll find something to do. It fits the whole thing, but I need, oh, didn't see that. Fits here, but I needed it about a ½ inch more. With this going in there. So anyway, I'll come up with something. Need to get a radio for the hole here, air conditioner there. There's 3 holes here, but I have 4 switches. So I'm going to measure it out and drill 4 holes in the thing. So yeah, I've helped build and built a lot of hot rods, and but the stuff, yeah, was all set up from the factory, and it has 4 switches, but they give you 3 holes. So. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go sandblast this, drill the holes, and make sure they come out even, and we'll see how that goes. And I think this gets upholstered. I got to go look at the upholstery boxes, and I think it's the tan is the same as the dash was in the interior. So anyway, I'll show you when I get done here.